Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to find lost remote controller. Method 1. Open Google Home app. So we can install this Google Home app from Google Play Store. I already installed. Then tap on this Devices tab. In this Google Home app we need to log in with a Gmail ID and password. Then we need to add our device. You can tap on this add button, then add the device. I already added device here. Tap on this device name. Then here you can see one settings icon on top right corner. Tap here. Then tap on find my remote. Then tap on play sound. See. So this way we can find lost remote. If you want to stop this sound, you can just press any button on the remote, or you can tap here and stop. Okay, so this is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. You can find a reset button on back side of this device. Just press that reset button. Just press and release. See, it's playing the sound. So this way we can find lost remote. This is a method 2. If you want to stop, you can just press any button on the remote. That way you can stop. If this method is not working, you have to enable one option. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go down, select remotes and accessories. Go down, select find my remote. So we have to enable this option. Okay. So these are two methods. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.